If you want to set up the system clone on OPPO Find X9 Pro, then in that case we need to open settings. Over here in settings we're gonna scroll down a little bit in order to go to security and privacy. Now scroll down again, this time we are looking for the system cloner, and over here we can just tap get started in order to set up the cloned version of the system. So we need to enter the screen lock password, then we need to set up the password for the cloned version of our system. So in this case I'm gonna use this type of password, enter the password again, and there we go, we have created the system clone. We can also use the fingerprint sensor and set it up to be able to access the cloned version of the system with our finger. I'm just gonna skip it and we can enter the system clone quite easily. Over here we need to enter the screen lock password in order to continue. And there we go. In order to switch back to the standard, to the main system, you should be able to find, let's actually cancel that. Of course, feel free to set up the system as you wish, but in order to go back to the previous menu, what you can do is, for example, go to the app drawer and you can find the back to main system. You can also probably find it in quick settings. Yeah, there we go. And in addition to that, if we go to the lock screen, then of course in here, if you actually choose the password of the main system, then you will go to the main system. If you provide the password to the cloned system, then you will go to the cloned system. Simple as that. And that is pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.